Nantong, passing thousands of years. A modern famous city reflecting classical culture and modern civilization. Nantong Yangzi Carbon Company Limited. Spanning 60 years, an enterprise that once stirred people's hearts and carried the dream of urban development. Since 1994, Yangzi has had technical cooperation and production of UHP graphite electrode for metallurgical steelmaking with Japan Matex Company. Become the first manufacturer of UHP graphite electrodes with various specifications in China. Also, the first manufacturer in China to export UHP graphic electrodes to all over the world. After 60 years of unremitting efforts, Nantong Yangzi Carbon has become a national key high-tech enterprise. Now this giant, who has witnessed the growth for Nantong for more than half a century, in the second wave of entrepreneurship in the new round of economic transformation and industrial upgrading, is bursting out the grand passion for the process of internationalization. The main products of carbon production in Nantong Yangzi Carbon are as follows. Diameter 350 to diameter 750 millimeter ultra-high power graphite electrodes and other products. Annual production capacity of 60,000 tons. At the same time, providing customers with excellent service. Relying on its own innovative consciousness, realistic attitude, quality of unity, spirit of dedication. People of Nantong Yangzi Carbon has achieved better and faster development of enterprises. Singing aloud in the domestic graphite industry. In the whole production process of ultra-high power graphite electrode, forming is the first process. Also the most important process to ensure product quality. From 4,000 liters of kneading pot to stable and accurate computer batching system. Then to 3,500 tons of special extruder for electrodes. Yangzi Carbon monitoring key pressure points effectively to ensure the intrinsic quality of products. The second process, baking. It is a process of carbonizing asphalt by heating according to a certain heating curve under the condition of insulating air. The third process, impregnation process, is in a closed impregnation tank. After vacuum evacuation, pressure by asphalt injection. Fill up the pores inside the product to improve the density and mechanical strength of products. The fourth process, rebaking. The process of baking the baked products again after impregnation is called rebaking. Main purpose, to carbonize impregnated asphalt, to improve the bulk density and strength of products. The fifth process, graphitization. Through advanced graphitized power transmission system, ensuring that power is delivered according to the set transmission curve. Satisfies graphitization of baking products of various specifications. The last process is machining. Nantong Yangzi Carbon, in accordance with international standards or customer-specific requirements, to machine the outer diameter, length, thread, etc. of electrodes. The machining accuracy is very important for the smooth and safe use of electrodes. With the inspection by import ring gauge, the processing accuracy and matching tolerance of the products have reached the same advanced level as that of the industry. It can satisfy customers' requirements for different electric furnaces. Meanwhile, in the production process, Nantong Yangzi Carbon actively promotes energy saving and emission reduction, anti-pollution, efficiency, and production safety. The company spares no expense in introducing environmental protection equipment to ensure full compliance with national standards. Since 2000, to promote the continuous optimization and upgrading of industrial structure, Nantong Yangzi Carbon Company Limited has actively implemented strategic adjustment. transferred the process of high energy consumption and low added value to the central and western regions step by step, formed production bases in Shanxi, Henan, Hebei, and Sichuan, etc., making full use of its regional advantages in energy, equipment, and labor, further promoted the competitiveness of enterprises. In 2018, Nantong Yangzi Carbon considered from the long-term development strategy of enterprises, further improved the development ability of enterprises, signing Yulan Shibu Shufeng Carbon Technology Company Limited by means of capital increase and stock increase. Up to now, Nantong Yangzi Carbon Company Limited has formed an annual production capacity of 60,000 tons of ultra-high-powered graphite electrodes. After 60 years of stormy trails, Nantong Yangzi Carbon, bold in innovation, daring to make a breakthrough, has won one by great honor. Also established a wide range of popularity in all sectors of society, good reputation and customer loyalty. Quality first, customer first, is the core value of Nantong Yangzi Carbon. Implement strictly. Select high-quality raw materials. Control manufacturing technology strictly. Ensure quality products. Meet customer needs. The quality policy of improve innovative continuously. Pursue the quality goal of satisfying all customers. To return customer support and love for Nantong Yangzi Carbon. Prize of Science and Education, Foundation of Talents, is the development foundation of Nantong Yangzi Carbon. The development course of enterprises is also a historical portrayal of respecting knowledge and talents. On the basis of fully mobilizing the enthusiasm and creativity of all staff, people-oriented spirit is a solid driving force for the future of Nantong Yangzi Carbon. Also is the most persistent belief of Nantong Yangzi Carbon. Leading brand advantage has won the trust of customers for Nantong Yangzi Carbon. For years, Nantong Yangzi Carbon has managed faithfully through technical exchanges, product upgrading, widely used in metallurgical and chemical industries. The main products are sold to Baowu Steel Group Company, Anshan Steel Group Company, Shogang Company, Nanjing Iron and Steel Group Company, Ma Anshan Iron and Steel Company, Anyang Iron and Steel Group Company, Korean Hyundai, Tokyo Steel Manufacturing Company, The Lion Group, Tata, and more than 20 large-scale iron and steel enterprises at home and abroad. Establish long-term strategic partnership with them and supporting exports to Europe, America, Asia, the Middle East, South America, and other countries and regions. Yangtze River of Nantong Yangzi Carbon has been integrated into the brand value system. Today's Nantong Yangzi Carbon, the spirit of unity, pioneering, honest, and pragmatic as the company's main theme, performing a beautiful movement that combines tradition and history, combines vigor and vitality, has won a heartfelt praise. Today's Nantong Yangzi Carbon will continue to strengthen reform and innovation, accelerate the process of internationalization, enhance the new value of enterprises, looking forward to a bright future with a magnificent spirit. Reaching Yangtze River and the Yellow Sea, Yangtze pursuing dreams. Nantong Yangzi Carbon, with the momentum of the brave fighting, leveling the way ahead. Nantong Yangzi Carbon, with the mind of the wise in competition, agglomerating the brand power. Nantong Yangzi Carbon, with the style of strategic king, creating a glorious height.